Ma'am, are you here?
Ma'am, I can't hear you.
Ma'am,
Close this. Undal, mute lo undal. यार मुझे तो undal.
Sorry, children, can you hear me now?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, sorry. Now listen now. Take out your textbook, everybody. Turn off your mic. Sorry. Now take out your textbook. Miral, take out your pencil. Go through each word. Now, save Jamuni. Write today's date. Write today's date. There was a village near Panchavati forest. Underline village. Children, once if I start my class, I don't want anybody to run about. Underline village. Underline village. Underline Panchavati. In the village lived two children, Karan and Karim. In the forest was a big jamun tree. Children, I will not tell again and again.
What is the page
I don't
number?
understand.
What is the page number?
Ma'am, please mute us, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am. All are turning and talking. How they will understand? Who's this talking to me? Please tell me now. Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, please mute us. Your voice is echoing.
That is, and one of you opens your microphone, that echo is coming. And that's what I'm telling you all. Please turn
That
off
is
your mic.
Cyrus, ma'am.
Please turn off your mic, children, everybody. Cyrus. When one or two children opens them a microphone, that echo is coming throughout. Yes. Now turn on your camera. Your camera should be on. I want to see everybody. One is drinking coffee, one is drinking that after break and running about in class. I don't want anyone to complain. Now, there was a village near Panchavati. See how clear now it is? Panchavati forest. Underline village and Panchavati. Niral, stop turning the chair. Take out your pencil and look into your textbook, page number 22. All are turning and dancing and all that. In the village lived two children, Karan and Karim. Underline Karan, Karim. If you don't know the story, you won't be able to do the textbook exercises. In the forest, there was a big jamun tree. The big jamun tree had a thick trunk and lots of branches and leaves. I'm not going to ask you to underline because simply wasting my time. Nobody is listening in class. On hot summer days, Karan, Karim and other children would rest in its shade. Underline shade, S-H-A-D-E, shade. Sometimes they would play hide and seek around it. They would climb the tree and sit among its branches. Karan would say, shoo. Karan would say,
Ma'am, where is the shade?
You just don't talk, Ailina. I'm fed up. Where is the shade? It seems now she's asking me. Take out your pencil and go through the line. Karan would say, you listen to me. Look at those squirrels. I don't want anybody to underline anything because some children are very, very badly behaving. See that, Kailina? Not looking into the textbook. Kailina, sit properly. Keep the book on your table. Take out your pencil. They like to chase each other. Just straight opposite to that picture of the tree and the two boys. Look at those squirrels. They like to chase each other. The tree was the home of many birds. The birds would bring twigs in their beaks to build their nest. The birds would bring twigs in their beaks to build their nest. Yesterday I finished reading this. Karan and Karim. 1 minute, 1 minute. I will show this. Sometimes, see ya, they finish. Now, just look at the screen, children. That's better. Sometimes they would play. Close your textbook, everybody. Look at the screen. Everyone. Sometimes close your textbook and look at the screen. That's better. They would play. I told you not to. Parents, don't turn on your microphone, please. Sometimes they would play. Who said? Adonia, turn on your microphone, please. Adonia, turn on your microphone. Somebody's talking in Tamil throughout. Adonia, turn off now, turn off. Giving trouble, turn off. Adonia, turn off your microphone. Somebody's talking in Tamil over there. Yes, thank you. Now see, sometimes they would play hide and seek around it. Look at the screen. Close your textbook. They would climb the tree and sit among its branches. You have to, after class, you have to read the story from the book at least thrice. Karan would say, look at those squirrels. They like to chase each other. The tree was the home of many birds. The birds would bring twigs in their beaks to build their nest. Children, close your textbook and look at the screen. Karan and Karim liked watching the birds. Once a year, the tree would be full of purple jamuns. Karan and Karim would collect the jamuns for themselves and their families. They had named the tree Jamuni, meaning the purple one. So the meaning of Jamuni is purple one. One morning, Karan and Karim saw 3 men at Debu Chacha's tea stall. I explained to you yesterday, there was a tea stall and it's owned by Debu. So they call Debu Chacha, respect, uncle. The men were carrying axes to cut the trees. Can you tell us the way to the forest? One of the men asked Debu Chacha, asked this Debu Chacha the way to the forest. After the men left for the forest, Karan said, what will these men do with the axes? We must find out. They had a doubt. They wanted to know what will they do with the axes. We must find out. Let's go to the forest, said Karim. On reaching the forest, they heard a noise. Tuck, tuck, tuck. Okay, Tridip, tell me, what was the noise? What were the men doing? Only Tridip. What were they doing?
Cutting down some trees.
Yes, cutting the tree. Thank you. Turn off. The strangers were cutting down some trees. Stop that! Karan and Karim shouted loudly. Why are you cutting down these trees? Go away, boys. Don't disturb us, said one of the men angrily. The men would soon cut down Jamuni too. They started cutting some of the trees, and the next one will be Jamun tree. That is Jamuni. Karan and Karim did not like trees being cut down. Let's go and ask our teacher for help, said Karim. The boys ran all the way to their teacher. On hearing their story, the children finished telling them the story. Let me see how you all are sitting. Kailina, sit back. Keep the pencil down. Kailina, sit back and keep the pencil down. Don't open anything. Look at the screen. Kevin, sit properly. All others are sitting properly. Good. On hearing their story, the teacher started ringing the school bell. The villagers asked each other, why is the school bell ringing on a holiday? Let's find out. They hurried to the school. The teacher told them what the three men were doing. The villagers were very angry. How cruel, they said. They followed the boys into the forest. Now you must know the story. That's all. Afterwards, you have to read twice or thrice every day. Then only you will know how to read. The men were about to cut down Jamuni. Stop! Don't touch that tree, the villagers shouted. The men got scared on seeing so many people. They were very scared, both of them, because many people were around them. They threw away their axes and ran as fast as they could. Ran as fast as they could. They didn't even take their axes. Okay. Thus, Karan and Karim saved Jamuni and the other trees. Not only Jamuni, other trees also. From that day onwards, the villagers took turns at guarding the trees. From that day onwards, the villagers all came and they took care of the trees, and they said, like every day, they will guard. Must be that 2 persons will be on rounds to see whether anybody is entering the forest. We all must grow more trees and protect them. That is the moral for us. We all must grow more trees and protect them. Now, listen. Now you have to read this twice or thrice today itself. Now, all of you open your page 25. When I give you some written work, only you will be able to sit quietly. Now, please take page 25, write today's date. Today's date on page 25. All must write. Adonia, stop talking and do your work. Adonia, please. All must listen to me. Kevin, be alert in class. Take page 25. Every day you'll have to read the story. Page 25. Kailina, did you take page 25? Children, did you get the cover? 1 minute. 1 minute, Alan. Did you get the paper to cover your books, children?
Ma'am, I got.
Please, only Alan I'm asking. 1 minute. All must cover your book. Okay, yes. Please. Thank you. Thank you now. Now, Kailina, stop playing with everything and sit up straight. Take out your pencil eraser. We are going to write something. Have you seen the comprehension there? Comprehension? No. Write true or false. Page number 25. Write today's date after true or false there. 25/8. Write today's date. Now I won't come back here because I have to read from the. Now read the. I want Samantha. Samantha, come online. Samantha. Shashwata. What happened to you yesterday, Shashwata?
Ma'am.
Something was not working. You said, oh, you went somewhere.
No, ma'am.
Yes.
My grandmother's prayer.
Okay. Now, Shashwata, read the first question. First question. Karan, read.
Karan and Karim lived in a village.
Very good. Listen to me. You have to read like that. Sit up straight. For sitting up straight and answering all that ma'am is putting mark. Is it true or false?
True.
So you have to write only, sorry, 1 minute, children. 1 minute. Let me go back. Yes, you have to write true, T. Okay. Sorry, you have to write T. Karan and Karim lived in a village, T. True. Now, read the second one. Shama. Read the second one, Shama.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, please read second one. They
Would rest under the jamun tree in summer.
Is it true?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, you have to put T. Yes, good. Now, number 3, Shaina. Shaina,
Yes, ma'am.
please read third one.
They like to taste the
No, not tease. Making fun of squirrels. Is it true, Shaina?
No, ma'am.
No, they never used to. Now, that is false. Okay. Yeah. Now, read the fourth one. Next child. Tanvi.
Ma'am.
Please read the fourth one from the screen or from your book. The men.
The men were able to cut down the jamuni.
Not that. Without Jamuni. See, I think Shaina's mic is on. When you finish answering, please turn off your mic. Okay, tell me the answer. The men were able to cut down Jamuni. Yes or no?
No, ma'am.
Yes, but Tanvi, you have to listen carefully, okay? Arush Bothra, can you read the fifth one?
Yes, ma'am.
Fifth one. We all, see, at least you all are answering good. We all must
Grow more trees and protect them.
we all must grow more trees and protect them. Is it true or false?
True.
Good. True. Now, all of you check. Now, 1 minute. All of you check, please. All of you check whether you have done true or false. Arush, thank you. Turn off. Now, we'll go back to the next. Now, see, in your textbook, down, B. Who said these words? Write their names on the blanks. Who said these words? Now, this question is for Akhil. Akhil, read the first one.
Ma'am.
Read the first question from the screen. What will, come on.
What will?
Read from the screen.
What will?
Yeah. Read. These men.
What will these
Men. Man is
do?
with the access.
Access.
Wait, that's all.
Ma'am.
Who said this? Who said these words? What will these men do with the axes? Who said? Okay, you don't know the answer. Alan, can you tell me from the book? Middle of the page.
Karan.
Very good. Who said? Karan.
Karan.
In the middle of the book, Karan said, what will these men do with the axes? We must find out. Karan said. Good. Next person is Akhilan. Akhilan, can you answer me, Akhilan? please read the second question. Akhilan. Okay, Naren. Naren, read the second question, Naren. Let's, who's this?
Next.
Who's this, Naren? First, you tell me who's on the line. Naren, is it you? Naren? Where is Naren? Or Akhilan? Akhilan, where are you? See the-
Aisha.
Who's there? Akhilan, can you read? Akhilan, can you read the second one? Akhilan, sorry. Akhilan, please. Let's go.
Okay.
Let's go
Let's go
and ask
and ask
our teacher
a teacher
for help.
for help.
See, parents, please make him read every day. All the lessons, then only he'll be able to read. Okay. Can you tell me the answer? Who said this? Who said this in this story? Is it Karan or Karim? Parents,
Karim.
Parents, it's okay. You don't whisper now. You have to make him read this lesson. Okay, then he will be able to tell. Karim, good, Akhilan. Now number three, because I heard them telling the answer, that's why. Number three, I want Prajan to read number three. Prajan. Prajan, are you there? Yes. Please read third one. Please read third one. Stop.
Don't touch that tree.
Yeah, who said this? Stop.
Correct.
Who said this?
The villagers.
Now
The
don't.
villagers.
1 minute. Let him say if the answer is wrong, I'll have to correct them. Stop. Don't touch that tree. Somebody said villagers. Good answer. Prajan, you take page number 20. 1 minute. Page number 24. It's in the middle. Stop. Don't touch that tree. See, who said that? Prajan, tell me. Page number 24, you got in the middle. Stop. Have you seen that word? When you see these sentences here, you will not forget. Don't touch that tree. Prajan, I'm talking to you.
Yes, ma'am.
Did you see stop? Don't touch that tree. Did you see that sentence?
No,
No.
ma'am.
In the middle of the tree where the two men were standing with the axe and one fellow with the rope and some villagers standing. Can you see that picture? Page 24 in your textbook, reader. The textbook is in front of you. Okay, Sachin. Sachin, you must take all the things fast, children. For one child, we are wasting a lot of time. Sachin,
Ma'am.
stop. Don't
Ma'am?
touch that tree. Who said?
Ma'am.
Who
Karan.
said? That's what y'all are making mistake. Listen, please take out your textbook, 24 page number, where the tree's picture and the men standing with two men standing with the axes. Take that page. Take that page, ma'am. I will wait for you. Middle. Stop. Don't touch that tree. Did you see that? Sachin, you wait. Listen, I am asking you. Don't listen to anybody. I don't want answer. Have you seen this sentence in the middle of your book? Stop. Don't touch that tree. Please read that. Stop.
Yes, ma'am.
Read. From your textbook, you read.
Stop. Don't touch the tree.
Next one.
The
Villagers. Now you know who said? All were telling Karan. The villagers. The answer is villagers. That's all. The answer is villagers. Okay. You can turn off your mic, everybody. Those who are answering. So just see the answer correctly. See, this is the way That's the way you have to find out the answers. Simply don't tell. Like this only you are making mistake for your test. Now you must go back to the lesson and find out where these people are talking. Stop. Don't touch that tree. Like auction, you must not say current villages. Now I made Sachin read it, he found out. So he will never forget that. Okay, children, I'm not scolding you, I'm not shouting. You must know how to do. And parents, please don't whisper in their ears because you also don't know the story. Let the children learn. Then only they will know. You teach them by learning by heart, and only if they learn it by heart, they will never. Because we may give different question from the lesson. Thank you, Sachin. The next one. Okay, next one, D. Thank you. Take the D, play with words. Write today's date, because we must know where we are stopping. Write today's date. Next to that, add one more word to each set of words. Like fruits, jamun, mango, strawberry. First one is, sorry. Add one more word to each word. You can write jamun, mango, strawberry. What is the next one? You can find out, children. You can write. No, you can write. No need to say now. I will ask you later. Write any one fruit's name. Second one.
It's already written.
Don't tell. It's written. It's written. Second one, any tree. Banyan, neem, gulmohar. You write the tree there. You can write any name. Now the flower. Rose, poppy, sunflower, any flower. You have to write, children, then only you will know. That is flowers. Next one, parts of your body. Nose, head, chin, anyone. Slowly write. I'll wait for you. I will make you read in the next class because there is not enough time for us today. Anyway, do this in your textbook. Nose, head, chin. Now, rooms in your house. Bedroom, kitchen, sitting room, anyone. One more room you have to write. In your textbook, children, please write in your textbook. Now, number 6, table, chair, bed, things in your house. Table, chair, bed, one more. Only this much we can do today, children. Okay, you can write later. Homework, okay? No, you can think and write. Children, I am coming back to you. Yes? Children, not now. Afterwards, you can write. It's already time. Say some TV's on. TV. Somebody's house, TV's on. Fatima, turn off your mic. I'm going to, now class is over. I'm going to call out the names for today's class. Adonia, Akshara, Effie, Fatima, Joshika. Kanira, Kailina, Mishti, Mitra. Now you can leave the class. Take a break because you are going to sit for 1 hour special class.
Thank you, ma'am.
Please leave the classroom soon.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Complete the text.
Thank you, ma'am.